Hello, my name is Dr. Joe Pizzorno. I'm a naturopathic physician and the author of the Toxin Solution, as well as 6 other books for consumers and 5 textbooks for doctors. And my latest textbook for doctors is called Clinical Environmental Medicine. I'm also the founder of Bastyr University. I'm very excited to be presented at IFS, and I think that you will find what I have to present to you of great value. Now, I'll just give you a teaser. There's a lot of popularity these days about detoxification programs. But the problem with them is you can't put a person in the detox program until you've prepared their body to get rid of the toxins. Because if you start releasing toxins from tissues and the body's not able to get rid of them, you can actually make a person worse. So I'm going to show you what I have learned over 50 years of medicine on how to prepare people to detoxify and then get the toxins out as efficiently as possible.